Welcome to the Nomadix Alerts product demo. Hotels face a unique challenge with today's staffing shortages. How to keep team members safe while they work throughout the property, often alone. Some hospitality work and safety surveys show that up to 86% of hotel workers have felt unsafe or at risk in their workplace. Let's see how Nomadix Alerts can help protect hotel staff from potential threats and risks. First, let's look at the Nomadix Alerts Smart Badge. It is worn with a lanyard and works via the hotel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth low-energy beacons. An optional waterproof pouch is available if desired. The Smart Badge has a built-in panic button that staff members can press if they feel threatened or harassed. The alert is sent to the security team or colleagues with the name and location of the person in need of assistance. And in case the situation evolves, the Smart Badge tracks and updates location changes in real time once an alert is in progress. Additionally, the Smart Badge also has built-in fall detection technology and will send an alert when it experiences a sudden drop followed by no movement. Smart Badges are very simple to use, which is key for industry sectors experiencing high turnover of staff and non-native workers. They are easily recharged in between shifts via standard USB adapters. Nomadix Alerts is the ideal solution for companies willing to offer enhanced safety to each of their lone working employees. Helping protect staff is not the only feature of Nomadix Alerts. Good Wi-Fi has become the #1 amenity among hotel guests, and our solution helps maintain a quality experience too. As staff members walk throughout the property, the Smart Badges perform regular network health and security checks and notify IT teams of potential issues before they affect guests. The analytics service allows administrators to monitor their Wi-Fi experience scores, aggregating results about coverage, performance, interferences, cyber attacks, and more, but without requiring complex and expensive survey tools. The Smart Badges connect to the centralized cloud management platform through the site's Wi-Fi network and reuses existing BLE beacons wherever possible for location information, dramatically reducing infrastructure costs. Training is also minimal, and there is no need for apps and expensive smartphones to use this solution. Keep hotel staff safe from threats and falls, and maintain great satisfaction through real-time quality Wi-Fi monitoring with a cost-effective, lightweight, and simple-to-use solution. Nomadix, the single-source supplier for all your personalized connectivity and digital engagement needs. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.